Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Are you guys ready for another week of work? This is week number 36. Wow, this is so far away from the beginning of the school year. We're about to finish. So I hope you guys are ready. We're going to start with Monday, okay? Monday is going to be super easy. We're going to review a little bit of the vocabulary that we have been studying from the trash, okay? So, cardboard, box, lid, newspaper, plastic, paper, all of that, we're going to review it. Then, I asked you guys to have a candy. So, I'm gonna ask you to take your candy. You are going to eat it and you're gonna tell me what it tastes like. Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Okay, we're going to review a little bit of that vocabulary as well. And then we are going to go to page number 39. Okay, and on page number 39, you are going to copy the chocolate wrapper on your page. You are going to decorate it with whichever material you have. And to finish, I'm going to play a video called Guess What. So you guys can tell me what the object they are describing is, okay? So we are gonna finish reviewing some vocabulary as well. And that's how we're going to end that class. Now we are going to start with Tuesday, okay? On Tuesday, we're going to remember a little bit about how we classify our garbage, okay? What categories do we have? And then we're going to talk about organic, inorganic, and recyclable trash, okay? So we're going to introduce a new term, the term inorganic. So then after we review that, I'm going to read to you the second part of the story, The Kitty Quest. We're going to see what happens to those little cats. And then when we finish, we're going to find page 69 on our English book. We're going to describe what we can see, and then you guys are going to use your scissors to cut them, okay? Cut the trash that you see there. And then on page 41 on our book, we're going to paste them on the right column. The organic, the inorganic, and the recyclable trash, okay? And you're going to tell me which one goes with which category, in which column, okay? And that's it for that class. Now, moving on to our 1:30 p.m. class, this is going to be super fun, okay? So we're going to start the week by playing a little bit of games, okay? So remember, we're talking about trash, recycling, reducing, reusing objects around the house. So we are going to be working with objects around your house. We're going to play some rounds of the game I Spy. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I spy with my little eye something made of plastic. So you guys have to run around your house finding something made of plastic, okay? We're going to play several rounds of that game. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this class. And that's it. For our class on Wednesday, we're going to be working again with the sound of the digraphs S and H and C and H. Okay, so we're going to start with a video about organic garbage. When we finish with that video and reviewing what is organic garbage, then I'm going to show you a really nice video, a really fun video called Three Little Kittens, okay? So we're going to check what it is. It's a fun rhyme. So we're going to try and repeat the rhyme. We're going to try and sing it. And then when we finish, and we review the vocabulary that is on the rhyme, we're going to page number 35 on our English book, and we are going to play the song one more time, and we're going to color. In color purple, the words ending with SH, and in color brown, the words ending with CH. Okay, so we're going to review that, and if we still have time, I'm going to project some worksheets with the two digraphs, the SH and the CH. And we're going to work a little bit with that, but only if we still have time, okay? So I cannot promise you anything. And that's how we're going to end with this class on Wednesday. Now, moving on to our Thursday class, my beautiful children, we're going to work with vocabulary related to garbage and the actions. Okay, we're going to see some verbs like dump or separate or recycle or make. Okay, so we're going to review some of those words, and then to consolidate them, we're going to use our decision roulette. Okay, I'm going to spin the roulette, and the picture it lands, you have to tell me the name of it. Okay, so it's going to be easy. I hope it's going to be fun. And then I'm going to read to you the third part of the story, The Kitty Quest. And when we finish with that, I made some puzzles using the characters and the vocabulary from the story. So we're going to review it together, okay? I'm going to be placing the pieces one by one, and you have to tell me what it is. And that's it. That's how we're going to work with this class. For the last class of this day, at 1:30 p.m., we're going to review some shapes, okay? We're going to see what is a circle, what is a rectangle. We're going to see that. And then we're bringing back one of Miss Letty's favorites, the tangram. Okay, so we're going to be working with the tangram. I'm going to show you some shapes, and you guys have to reproduce those shapes. And to finish, you guys are going to create your own tangram shape. So I hope you guys are going to have fun on this class. Okay, so now to finish with our week, on Friday, we are going to have a long class on Friday, okay? We're going to work a lot. First, we are going to start with positive and negative consequences. Do you remember that we have been talking about those? So we're going to review some good consequences and some bad consequences to our actions. Okay? Then we are going to find page 71 on our English book. We're going to see what is happening there, and with our scissors, we are going to cut those actions and those consequences. And then, on a separate piece of paper, we are going to divide it into two sections. The good section, the positive section, and the negative section. And we're going to paste what you guys think it's positive on the left side and what you guys think it's negative on the right side, okay? And that's the first part of our class. For the second part of our class, it's going to be super easy. I asked you for a lot of material, but we are going to learn how to make food for our plants. We're going to make some compost, okay? I'm super excited because I really like this subject. I have a lot of it in my house, and I'm going to teach you how we can do it in a bottle, okay? So you guys can see how everything begins to degrade, okay? How it transforms to fruit and vegetable scraps to soil. And then you guys are going to be able to use it on your own plants. So it's going to be super interesting. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. For our second class, we are going to review digraphs SH, CH, and TH. So I'm going to show you the letters. You're going to you're going to make the sound, and you're going to tell me one word that begins or ends with that sound. Then I am going to show you my board game, okay? And you guys, I'm going to assign to each one of you a token. So whenever it's your turn, you're going to roll a dice that you're going to have on your house, and I'm going to move your token. And the case it lands on, you have to tell me one word that begins or ends with that sound. So if you land on the CH, you have to tell me one word that begins with that sound, like sheep or shell or shoes. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Each one of you is going to have your own time, and we're going to see who wins. That's what we're going to do on the second class of the day, and that's how we're going to wrap up the week. And my beautiful children, this is how we're going to finish with all of the week. Okay, so I hope you guys are gonna have fun on this week, and I really thank you for working with me. I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Remember, I love you. Be nice to everyone and separate your garbage. A big kiss for you. Bye.